Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock the bootloader on your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you'd like to lock the bootloader, first let's quickly verify that the bootloader is currently unlocked. So let's go to settings, go to Wi-Fi first of all, make sure you are connected. So connections, then Wi-Fi, make sure that you are connected to some network. Now go to about phone, software information, click on build number 7 times. Once the developer mode is turned on, go back, go to developer options and make sure that OEM unlocking is enabled and grayed out, and that means that your bootloader is unlocked. To lock it, you should simply shut your phone down by pressing and holding on power and volume down, then click on power off and click on it again. And now I'm going to unplug the phone from the computer. It has to be unplugged, and now while pressing and holding on the volume up and volume down, plug it in. You should see this blue screen. Now you can press and hold on volume up. Remember that locking or unlocking the bootloader will erase all your data. Now it asks you if you want to lock the bootloader. If you do, click on volume up and wait a moment, it's gonna reset your phone, and I'll be back to you in a moment. We'll need to quickly set it up so we can disable OEM unlocking in the settings and restart the phone afterward. So I'll just show you everything and I'll be back soon. Okay, now the phone is reset. I'm gonna set it up real quick so we can do the last thing. You can set it up normally, you know, with all your data if you want. I'm just gonna set it up quickly so I don't waste time on it. And I'll skip the Wi-Fi connection because it makes the setup process way quicker, since it doesn't have to load all the data and stuff like that. You can see now the setup is really quick. I'm basically done already. So yeah, that's why I do recommend it that way. Yeah. Let's go to the settings. Of course, let's connect to the Wi-Fi since I haven't during the setup because it's quicker that way. Connections, Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to something. Connect. And now let's go back. Let's go to about phone, software information, build number 7 times. Go back and go to developer options. Now disable OEM unlocking and press and hold on power and volume down at the same time. Click on restart, click on it again, and now it's gonna restart your phone and all your protection features will be back on. Your bootloader will be locked and your phone will be protected. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.